Wow, everybody, we've got some brand new vehicles from Driven. And I was so excited when they contacted me and asked if they could send us all these toys for free so we could do a video. Look at this. It's the mini series. Series 1, Driven. Woohoo! I wonder what kind of vehicles we'll get inside. We've got 5 of them. I can't wait to see what surprise toys are in here. Too cool. And then we have the fire truck with lights and sounds. But this is the big bad boy. He has lights and sounds and has all sorts of stuff going on. There's knobs and there's pulleys and just all sorts of really cool things. And the door opens. I cannot wait to get him out of this box. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We've got this awesome truck out of the box. Now, let me show you all the cool things it does. Up here, you press a button if you want lights, and these light up. And then if you want sounds, you open up the door and press the horn. So those are your lights and sounds. And this is the front of the truck. And this thing is really big. Over here in this little slot is where we have our trash cans. We're gonna lift it up. Hey, wait, those aren't trash cans. Those are our surprise boxes. Well, let's go ahead and open them up real quick. And then I'll finish showing you the truck. There we go. Let's see what's inside our surprise crate. Boom. Oh, looky. It's a tiny, tiny police car. And we've got some road, so we can build a little track. Now we have a little track for our police car. And the more we open up, the more cars we'll get, and the more tracks we'll get. Let's sit this down and see what's in this other one. There we go. I wonder what car will be in here. Open it up. Oh, I think I see a fire truck. It's a tiny, tiny fire truck. That is so cool. We have these little containers to hold them. And down here is our track pieces. So we can add our new track on here. Woohoo! Where's our fire truck? Now let's open it up and see if our trash cans are inside. I think that's our trash can. We get one blue one and one yellow. Now I'll show you what you do with your trash cans. You come back here and you pull down this ramp and we snap on the trash can so we can dump out whatever's inside. Just like this. You lift it up and it dumps the trash out. Let's put these little cars in here. Here we go. One gets the fire truck and one gets the police car. Time to dump our trash. It dumped it. And then you turn this knob to push it into the back of the truck. Uh-oh, it spit it out. And once you get all your trash put in, you lift this up and you can get your trash out of the back. There we go. Beep, beep. And when you're all done with your trash cans, you can come over here and store them inside right here. So far we have a police car and a fire truck. I wonder what else we'll find. There we go. Oh, what is that? It looks like an orange vehicle. It's a steamroller. Very cool. It's a little mini steamroller. And we've got some more track to add on. So let's add this on right here. Go. Got 2 straight pieces this time and a curved piece. All right, here are our vehicles. And let's open up this one. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's another vehicle. Oh, look at this cool truck. And it says driven on the side. And this lifts up. Vroom, vroom. These are so cool. I love it. Sit him down. Now we need to add our track pieces. Look at all these cool vehicles. Now we have 1 surprise box left. I wonder what will be inside. There we go. It's a different vehicle. Oh, cool. It's a cement mixer. Vroom, vroom. We got 2 different construction trucks. And we got another straight piece. We finished our loop, and we've got our fire truck, and our police car, our cement mixer. Here's our truck, and our steamroller. Very cool. Now let me finish up cleaning out our dump truck. Here, let me show you. When we're all done with our dump truck, we have to lift this up. There we go. We have to push out the trash. Just like that. And we've got our little broom. Make sure everything's swept up. Nice and clean. Close it. And we can put our little broom right back here. And it's all clean. We have our trash bins in here. The front of our vehicle. And the top. Woohoo! Now let's get that fire truck open. Are you guys ready? Here it is. Let's pull this out. Go. And this fire truck's supposed to have lights and sounds. Can't wait to see what they are. He's out of the box. You can lift his ladder up and pull it out. You got a little hose up here. And over here, we've got another ladder. And it pops off. Like that. There we go. And the doors open up. Here's another door to the back. And this door opens. And this door opens. And for the sounds, you push down on the roof. It has lights right here. Let's try it again. It's the engine running. But I really enjoyed showing these cool toys to you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.